Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get whitening face in 7 days, or it's called in the super face mask to remove your wrinkles, blackheads and also remove your dark spots. So let's start how to I apply it and how to we make it. At first I take gram flour, then I take honey, and my last ingredient is rose water. You can use any type of your rose water that you want. So friends, this is my 3 ingredients to help to reduce my wrinkles and your wrinkles and also blackheads. So let's start how do I make it. Friends, I take a small bowl to mix it all these ingredients. So I take a spoon. At first I take gram flour, take 1 spoon of gram flour. Then I take honey, 1 tablespoon. Now I take rose water, I take 2 tablespoons of rose water. Now friends, I mix it. This face mask is also helps to remove your wrinkles and that get your skin's younger look that you want, and also it's remove your pimples, high pigmentation problems and also acne problems. You can use these ingredients or face masks all for your body that you want to apply it. When you can mix it, that you also notice that small clumps in there. So try to break all these clumps and make a smooth paste. Gram flour is helpful for your skin or our skin that you get your skin tighten, that you used. Also I am recommended you to apply gram flour of your face mask that you want, and it's also helpful to tighten your skins and dark spots removes, and also wrinkles problems is also 100% sure it's removed. And honey is helpful for your skin, for dry skin. This is so much helpful because it's tighten your skins and also it's get your skin smooth and glowing. And I apply this in their rose water. Rose water is so much helpful because it's refresh your body or skins, and also you get a cleansing way, and also it's helpful for this face mask is glowing. So friends, use this face mask 3 times in a week for a better result. And when you apply this face mask, at least try to leave this face mask until it dry. But if you not have no much time, then you until it 15 minutes at least you apply this face mask on your face. So friends, this is my face mask and this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.